Student, good morning everybody. Welcome to online classes SPTS. Standard 6 subject science topic we discussion for the matter. That is the matter we discussion for the previous video. That is the reading of matter. When we observe the objects closely, we see that it is built and difference in their properties. All these objects have weight or mass, occupy space and can be felt through one or more and our sense organ. Matter is anything that occupies space and has a definite mass. It includes all the materials found in the universe. All matter is made up of substance which are further made up of tiny particles. These smallest particles are called atom. John Dalton, a scientist, gave this name atom. Atom name by given by John Dalton. एटम जो वर्ड है उसको यानी जॉन एटम ने दिया, और जो मैटर है वो एक मॉलिक्यूल्स के द्वारा छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स हैं, टीनी पार्टिकल्स आर द जॉइंटेड और द एक कंपाउंड स्ट्रक्चर इट कॉल्ड एज द मैटर. It is arrangement in these tiny particles which decide and properties of a particular types of matter. Atom of the sum of the different kind joined together from molecule. For example, two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen combine the form the molecule of water. So that is the one compound. So is the one molecule of oxygen and two molecule of hydrogen. The combined, so one molecule of oxygen and two molecules are joined for the hydrogen for H2 plus O. यानी two molecule hydrogen and one molecule oxygen for the combined, that is the, so this is the molecule of the H2O, that is the water. इस प्रकार जब वाटर की फॉर्मेशन है उसमें टू मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन आयंस के एंड वन मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, तो टू मॉलिक्यूल्स हाइड्रोजन एंड वन मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑक्सीजन कंबाइन करके जो कंपाउंड है वो वाटर के रूप में एक कंपाउंड बन जाता है. तो इस प्रकार जो मॉलिक्यूल, तो एटम मिलकर के क्या चीज मॉलिक्यूल, और कई मॉलिक्यूल मिलकर के क्या बनाते हैं, एक कंबाइंड या हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन मिलकर के वाटर के कंबाइंड का या मॉलिक्यूल की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. सो द मॉलिक्यूल फॉर द एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन वन एटम and oxygen combined from the molecule of water. Here water called as the compound. So that is the water is the called as the compound. Hydrogen ion and oxygen ion, that is the combined, two are the called as the H2O, or the water is the combined of the compound. Also the hydrogen and oxygen are called element. So that is the hydrogen and oxygen is called the element. Oxygen and hydrogen are the elements of the different types combined of the compound. Some compounds are the composition are listed below. That is the water for the compound hydrogen and oxygen, and that is the glucose C6H12O6. So glucose, that is the compound, the formation of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. कार्बन हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट मिलकर के कैसी यानी ग्लूकोज की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. जैसे कार्बन हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन मिलकर के एक कंपाउंड बनता है. नेक्स्ट Next is the common salt. That is the common salt. So NaCl, sodium, that is the sodium ion, plus chlorine ion. So that is the compound of the NaCl. So जो salt का basically common salt है वो NaCl है, sodium chlorine. That is the washing soda, sodium carbonate and oxygen. washing soda, sodium Na, carbon C and oxygen. So sodium, carbon and oxygen are the molecule for the washing soda. So that is the Na element, carbon element and oxygen element for the combined, that is the washing soda. तो washing soda की जो फॉर्मेशन है सोडियम, कार्बन एंड ऑक्सीजन मिलकर के washing soda की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. और कॉमन जो सॉल्ट है NaCl, ग्लूकोज, कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल मिलकर के एक कंपाउंड की फॉर्मेशन करते हैं, दैट इज द ग्लूकोज. एंड वाटर द मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ द एलिमेंट H2, 2 molecule of hydrogen, 1 molecule oxygen for the combined of the water, that is the compound. So water is the compound, glucose is the compound, common salt is compound and washing soda are compound. So are the different compound are the produced by the matter. Thanks watching for your study now.